we're out at the Terrace Condos at Heritage Landing today, building 8, brand new, just closed. We're here to take a look at unit 818. It is a ground level end unit, Carolina. Got your storage closet right there. Got your in-wall pest system, Ring doorbell, electronic doors. Got white quartz counters, stainless steel appliances, white shaker cabinets. There's your dining area there. Master bedroom. Large walk-ins. 2 large walk-in closets. Your home run box where all your smart home technology transmits to. Got your quartz counters and white shaker cabinets throughout, tile on diagonal. This is a 3-bedroom. This is your 2nd bedroom. Good sized closet. This bathroom has the dual vanity sinks and a bathtub. There's a linen closet there behind the door, and you've got a full-size washer and dryer. Let's take a peek at the view. Beautiful day. Nice spot to set up and have your coffee in the mornings. Take a walk outside. It's moving day, so it's a little noisy in the background, but otherwise it's a very peaceful setting here with the preserve and the lake. And there's your end unit, nice and private.